Judy's running late for the meeting.
Oh no! I can't show up to the meeting looking like this.
Don't cry, Judy. We have got your back. Your outfit definitely needs a wash.
Wow!
We have got a warm bath already for you. Wait, where is the soap and shampoo? Looks like there is inside the chest. Let's play the game. How many things? If we solve it, we will find the code. It looks like our clues are frozen solid. Have to break the ice to get them. Let's count them up. 2 carrots, 3 strawberries, 1 apple, and 2 blueberries. Wait, that's not right. Oh, I see. There are actually 6 blueberries.
Wow! Oh no, your clothes have lost all the colors. Don't worry, Judy, I know exactly what to do.